professor had the opportunity of interacting with the document, which I believe he has not, would have come to the conclusion that the orders were drafted in this manner. That pending the hearing and termination, of this application inter parties, this Honorable Court be pleased to grant the orders that were granted. That is therefore to mean, Your Lordship, that question that Senior Counsel was raising has no sitting in the pleadings before you. Number two, Your Lordship, since we are here for mention and in the afternoon we are coming for the application for recusal, and I've had the advocates for the respondents insisting on the urgency to hear the application for setting aside, Your Lordship, it is important for the court to note that that application is not predicated on any response. And therefore, if I were them, I would be seeking guidance on how to file their replies. Your Lordship, I hope you are following. He doesn't seem to be following. Why do you say that? Why do you say that? But you leave it, let me leave it at that.
Thank you. I think that is.
My Lord, on a very small issue, we do confirm that for His Excellency, the Deputy President Ndegwa Njiru, as the petitioner, we have not received responses from the respondents. So it is important that first of all we get directions for filing of responses, because as we speak now, we have not received those responses from the respondents. Then number two, my colleague Senior Kibe has raised issues on filing of responses, so that in 522 we had given an indication that we might require to amend our pleadings, so that before the ruling that was delivered by this bench, there was indication that we might require to amend the pleading. That is in petitions in cohort number 1, so that if the court can grant us leave within 3 days, those amendments can be done, and thereafter this can also probably affect some petitions, cohort number 2. So it is important that we get that particular direction. Finally, my Lord, this proceeding, because of the nature, the way they are proceeding, would request that probably we be provided with sequentially the transcribed proceedings, so that in case we require the proceeding at any time, those can be availed for purposes of good order. That is all.
May I say something?